Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to set up and use the TikTok search widget on iPhone in 2024. To set up and use the TikTok search widget on iPhone, all you need to do is long press anywhere on the home screen. Once you see all the apps start jiggling, you will be able to see the add icon from the top left corner. Then tap on the add icon and you can find all the widgets from here. Now tap on the search bar from here and search for the TikTok widget here. It will show you different options for TikTok widgets. So choose the TikTok search widgets from here. After selecting the widget, tap on Add Widget. Then the search widget will be added to your home screen. If you tap on it, it will take you directly to the TikTok search bar. You can search for anyone here. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.